Okay, and welcome back again to MBAbullshitDotCom. Alright, so our topic for this video is payback period. Alright, so so the topic for this video is payback period, and what is a payback period and how to find the payback period. So remember, you can always go back to MBAbullshit.com for more help on lots of cool different business topics. Okay, so for example, you invest $100 in a business, and the free cash flow or the earnings, okay, if you haven't watched my video yet about free cash flow, don't worry, just imagine that free cash flow is similar to income or profit or earnings, okay? So what if you invest $100 in a business and you earn, okay? You earn cash or cash flow of $40 in the first year, $40 in the first year, $30 in the second year, $30 in the third year, $24 in the fourth year, and $15 in the fifth year. Okay? When is your payback? Okay? When is your payback? How long is your payback period? Okay, to do this, you need to do a special step wherein you find out the collected, the cumulative, or accumulated, or total collected payback. Now, how do you do that? It's actually very simple. In year one, it's the same, okay? You earn $40 in year one, so your total collected payback is $40. For year two, your collected payback is the cash flow from year one plus the cash flow from year two. So that is $70, okay? 40 plus 30 equals 70. Alright? Now, what is the collected payback in year 3? Well, same thing. 40 plus 30, 40 in the first year, plus 30 in the second year, plus 30 in the third year. So your collected payback over here is $100. 40 plus 30 plus 30 equals 100. Okay? We do the same thing in the fourth year. Okay? 40 plus 30 plus 30 plus 24 equals 124. And we do the same thing for the fifth year. 40 plus 30 plus 30 plus 24 plus 15 equals $139. So the question now is, when is your payback period? Well, the important thing here is to look at the collected payback column and not anymore the cash flow column. And you will find that you already have payback here, okay, at $100 at year 3. Why? Because at year 3, okay, you already have $100, which is the same as your $100 investment over there. Okay, so that now is so now we can now say that your payback period is 3 years. Why is it 3 years? Because you get your payback, okay, on year 3. So you get your payback in year 3. That means your payback period is 3 years. All right. So now, why is this important? Why do we need to know the payback period of an investment? Well, it's very simple. The rule of thumb, or the basic rule of thumb, is that the shorter the payback period is, then the better it is for you. Okay? So if you're a businessman, then you want a shorter payback period, because that means that you get your money back faster. Okay? If you have a longer payback period, then it takes a longer time to get your money back. Okay? So now that you know the basic concept of payback period, you're ready for our next video on discounted payback period, which is actually better for business students, and it's also better to use this in real companies. Okay, so discounted payback period is better. So if you're interested in learning this, okay, then you can check it out at MBAbullshit.com on our website. Alright, so take care, have a great day, okay, and goodbye. And remember to share it if you liked it, if you liked this video, if you learned something from it. On Twitter, we are called MBA Bullshit. That's our nickname. On Facebook, just type in our website and you'll find our fan page. Or simply forward our YouTube link on your email. Okay. Hope you enjoyed.